How to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, two-factor authentication for your GitHub account. This is very important to do. Let's go to do this. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important video you upload, and like the video and share it if you like it. You will download authentication app from Google Play or Play Store in your mobile or your tablet, and then you will open this authentication application and scan this QR code. After scanning this QR code using this application in your mobile or your tablet, you will get a key. Enter the key here. The key I found here in my tablet, 542104, and then this very important file, you have to download it and store it in your document or your download in some place, because if there is some problem happen in the system or Windows, you need to go back here and use this file, GitHub recovery codes, because you will ask for these codes to verification. Okay, then I have saved my recovery codes. Then here you have all done. Okay, so it all done. You have enabled two-factor authentication using your authentication app. Return to your work. If you need your GitHub in your mobile, install it here. Security keys, manage here. Use physical hardware based security key, example UB key. Okay, return to your work. It's all done. Thanks for watching the video. Share the video and like it, please. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask a question and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.